Want to boost your website's traffic without breaking a sweat? Let's talk long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are your secret weapon for on-page SEO success. These are longer, more specific phrases that visitors are more likely to use when they're closer to making a purchase or finding what they want. First, identify long-tail keywords using tools like Google's Keyword Planner or Uber Suggest. Look for phrases with lower competition, but decent search volume. Next, weave these keywords naturally into your content. Use them in your headings, meta descriptions, and throughout your text. But remember, keyword stuffing is a no-go. Quality content is king. Authority Solutions specializes in helping beginners like you master the art of long-tail keywords. We'll guide you every step of the way, ensuring your SEO strategy is top-notch. So, ready to transform your SEO strategy? Start harnessing the power of long-tail keywords today. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more SEO tips and tricks. Happy optimizing!